Two Nobel Prizes were awarded for artificial intelligence. Physics laureates were awarded for neural networks. And then, just a few days ago, 3 AI researchers were awarded the chemistry Nobel Prize. None of them is a chemist. They use the AI programs to solve insoluble protein folding programs.
What is the protein folding problem?
The proteins fold in 3 dimensions, and it's so intricate no human mind can look at all the configurations, but AI can go through 1 trillion different configurations and chooses most probable.
Did you see they finally mapped the entire brain in a fly? A fly brain, I think, only has 130,000 neurons, and they've actually made a fly brain. Here's the picture. So the next thing is the mouse brain. It was an amazing, game-changing time. Scientific American this spring had an article about how the business world's already de-siloed, but the academic world is not.
Look, and there have been calls by intelligent and wise people to de-silo, but the vested interests just keep up these barriers because they have a lot of money to make. They have the tenured positions to protect.
That's the problem.
It has not led to anything.
How do we apply that to build a better world? And I think our generation and younger are very interested in de-siloing, studying psychology, understanding stress. They're using words like well-being. Well-being was never used when I went to architecture school. Happiness was never used. And now people are talking about things like that. Don't you think so? They talk about feelings.
In general, yeah, but I don't think we've connected it to the built environment much yet. Talk about like work-life balance, but not really how the physical environment affects our well-being.
I think if you see that shifting, there's an opportunity. Look, we're at a Bill Gates, Steve Jobs moment. It's a complete pivot point in the industry. IBM and DEC never thought that people would be walking around with computers like this in their pockets. It took some weird college dropouts to think, hey, wait a minute, there's something big going to happen. And they were making so much money building mainframes, they didn't care. In the same way, I think the architecture world, flipping CAD drawings and building these faceless high rises, they don't care.
I have no compassion for people who build inhuman environments that are harmful to human health.
Unfortunately, it's the spreadsheet guiding them.